Welcome. Today, we're diving into the essentials of creating an estate plan. An estate plan is essentially a roadmap for managing your assets and caring for your loved ones after you're gone. First, assess your assets. Take an inventory of everything you own, from property to investments, and don't forget your debts. Next, determine your beneficiaries. Who will inherit your assets? It's vital to choose trustworthy individuals to carry out your wishes. Drafting key documents is crucial. You'll need a will, possibly a trust, and powers of attorney. These documents ensure your wishes are honored. Don't hesitate to consult with professionals. Estate planning can be complex, and legal or financial advice can be invaluable. Remember to review and update your plan regularly. Life changes, and so should your estate plan. Communication is key. Discuss your estate plan with your family to ensure everyone is informed and understands your wishes. Be aware of potential taxes and fees related to transferring assets. Understanding these will help you plan better. Once everything is in place, finalize your plan by executing all necessary documents officially. In conclusion, having an estate plan is essential for ensuring your wishes are met and protecting your loved ones. Start planning today.